Howdy y'all, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. And now, hey, what we're looking at is beautiful apartments here at the Alta Riverside. This is their one bedroom. This is a really quick walkthrough. I call it the 1 minute walkthrough. It's usually over a minute, but I call it the 1 minute walkthrough. So this is what it looks like. Really nice island that's here. It's really pretty. I love the chairs that are under there. And then the kitchen's really gorgeous. I love how it's finished out. It's really pretty. A lot of space in here. You've got a really nice fridge that's over there. Really pretty. And then you've got a really nice living room area here too. So this is really cool. I love the way this is. It's got these shelves in here. This is super fun. And then it's got a nice area here, a patio. Now on the first floor, they got looks like private yards. I mean, this is really nice. So nice space to have. It'd be easy to have your dog go outside and take care of that. So that's really pretty. I'm going to walk in also into the bedroom so you can see that real quick. The bedroom's here. And nice size. That's I think that's queen, maybe king, probably more like queen. And great windows. And then this is the bathroom itself. The bathroom's really cute. Great lighting, and it's got a nice tub in there. Nice shower. Goes all the way to the ceiling. And by the way, washer dryer included in the closet. So it's a pretty apartment here at the Alta Riverside. Really pretty apartment. And hey, you're in the Las Colinas area. This would be a perfect place to start out your career. Hey, the best thing you can do is send me a text right now. Just say, hey Grant, hey, I like these videos. This is kind of fun. I'd like to go ahead and maybe set up a virtual tour or a live tour. Can you help me with that? I'll set that up right away. I'll set it up for here. And if you want, I'd recommend to actually compare it to one or two other properties. That way you could see the best, and then we can kind of go from there and get your best apartment. I'll always get you the best apartment. I'll save you time, get you the best deal, and it's always 100% free. So reach out.